This is Optic Choice 5407. Let's do this thing. We are going to not only find out who wins a spot in the MLB showcase, but also find out who gets cool cards. That's what we really want. 5407, and we're looking for MLB showcase. And so apparently every box ever is called the showcase. What? Here we go. 5 times. Let's do it. Good luck to all. This randomizer. Grab our random MLB teams. So you got to have a Word document just with the teams properly, but I don't. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Mets on top. Angels on bottom. That's 5 times. Get rid of the randomizer. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. I think teams might be slightly longer, but I am not sure. You go 5407. We're randomizing this list one more time. Whoever owns a team, 2 teams on top, gets spots in the showcase. We'll say 6 times right here. 1 time. Here we go. Mariners and Blue Jays. Good team. 6 times. Mariners and Blue Jays are on top. Get rid of the randomizer. Find out who's got them. Mariners are with spot 3, Joshua May. And he may take out the nice spot. And the other one is... Did I say Blue Jays? Blue Jays. Spot 24, Robert Orlovsky. Alrighty. We'll get another one of these up for tonight. See how it goes. But good luck, all. Don't even remove one. You idiot. Oh, wow. Someone made an order. Huh? What? Okay, yep, there we go. Alright, that's been removed, and we'll get another one of these up for tonight. Here we go, just figuring out which break needs to be uploaded next. It is 5421. Alrighty, here we go with Optic Choice. Good luck all. Apologies for the minor delay. Just getting up another sweet little break. Here we go. Good luck all. Maybe you can use discount code on that one. Machos has an open spots, I believe. All right. Silva, Caston Hira. Silva, Jesus Sanchez for Miami. Here come our autos. Blue, Dylan Carlson for St. Louis, numbered 88 of 99. Green, Luis Patino, numbered 22 of 99 for San Diego Padres. And white, Leody Taveras, numbered 3 of 99 for Texas. Green, Xander Bogaerts, numbered 53 of 88. I still have not seen the Wu-Tang Eagle. Austin Meadows, red, numbered 6 of 110 for the Tampa Bay. William Contreras for the Atlanta Braves, rated rookie, numbered 89 of 110 for the Braves. The Kettle Marte, numbered 10 of 45. And a green, Kyle Hendricks, numbered 78 of 88. Here we go, second box. Machos, remember, use code STB at checkout for 15% off. Not available with any other code, which I think is a given. Silva, Nolan Arenado. Silva, Luis Garcia for Washington Nationals. Red for Toronto Blue Jays, Nate Pearson. Numbered 21 of 99. Ian Anderson for the Atlanta Braves, 92 of 99, blue Mojo Auto. White, Braylon Marquez, numbered 74 of 99 for Chicago Cubs. Green for the White Sox, Green Dragon, numbered 55 of 88 for the White Sox. Red, Raf Devers, numbered 13 of 110 for Boston Red Sox. Ronald Acuna Jr., Red Dragon, numbered 80 of 110 for the Atlanta Braves. Brian Anderson for Miami, numbered 9 of 45, the Miami Marlins. And a silver Diamond Kings of Bryce Harper for the Philadelphia Phillies. Nice Optic choice, 547 done.